Hey everyone, I am Joe Camargo. I am very excited to take you guys through another video for our inventory module. Very important function that I'm showing you guys today is how to process inventory. Now we'll be processing an inventory balance and we'll be updating the inventory quantity. Okay, so let's head on into Protheus. Here we are in our ERP system, guys. So we have the inventory module where we can find the transactions to process our inventory. Now we're gonna go to updates where you can find transactions. And underneath transactions, we're making it an internal type of transaction relating to its inventory. So we click on that. It's asking to make sure the module we're in. So we select that quickly. And we'll be processing an inventory. Now, once it loads up, there you go. A parameter window pops up asking you what type of inventory you want to view. We're going to view pending ones because they still need to be processed and counted. We're going to click on new inventories, all right, as we are making a new inventory list. Here you can see some of the parameters that ask you from product to product, so what products to include, the group if you want, the balance type, where the stock is, document number, and all that, all right? So we're gonna click OK on those parameters, and here you can see it loads up our inventory items, all right? So you can see that they are all of the same product, except for one, as it fits those parameters in which we selected from different lots. And you can see there's a current balance and the quantity that we are counting. Then there is here a divergence. Divergence is the difference between the current balance and the quantity. Up here you can see some other information such as the inventory date, the closing date, which is when you close, the total divergence, it sums all of this up, the branch warehouse and so on, quantity of items here, okay? And we're gonna be getting a printed list for us. So you can come here on other actions and confirm, as we are confirming and saving these items in this inventory list. All right, we're gonna accept those defaults. And here it gives us a list for us to print, and we can count this manually, all right? You can see the lot, the product number, the description as well, and the quantity, or sorry, the current balance. You can see that the list that we made is now pending, okay? Which means we have to go in there and confirm. But first we're gonna click View Edit, because we want to play around with this quantity. So you can see that current balance is 0, we make a quantity of 10, divergence becomes 10, all right? So here we're just meeting those requirements, 399, 400, you can see that there's a difference of 1, and you can see the value up here is updating as we input all of these numbers, or quantity, sorry, all right? And this is simply you checking or you updating the current balance of your stock, or yes, the quantity. You can see some of the other values that the system calculates for us, the unit cost, S divergence, stock value, or sorry, that's the money sign, stock value, and so on, if it's counted or pending. Okay, pretty straightforward. And you can see that our total divergence number up here got way down. So now that we have input all of those, or made all of these edits and changes to our list, we're gonna find confirm here in other actions, all right? So we're gonna confirm F2, or F2 if you wanna use F2, and that has been saved. We're gonna view it once more time just to confirm that. As you can see, the actions are saved into our item or list. And now you click on other actions, and in other actions you can find finish inventory, sorry, let me take that again. Finish inventory, cancel inventory, close inventory, and close. We're gonna be finishing this inventory as we have made all the edits to the quantity. It's gonna ask you if you want, and you can see that the status has changed to finished right here, okay? Here in other actions, you now click close, which in this routine, it will recalculate the stock based on what was informed in the inventory count, okay? So the inventory count that we gave them, it will recalculate the stock. We're gonna run the inventory right there. And now we wait for it all to process, okay? And it will tell you right now what lot it's processing and so on. But that is it, guys. That is how you guys process an inventory. Okay, you can see it's processing product 00. It tells you the lot that it is processing. But that is it, guys. I would just wait for it to finish. Pretty straightforward function, but very, very important, obviously. There you go, process finished. And it is closed, as you can see, both by the caption and by the status. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you all on the next one.